They don't sleep. The child don't sleep. He's always crying. He has pains. He has crisis. So the mother said every now and then she's at the hospital with this child. And so the day they actually brought the child to me, this child had the hand and the leg paralyzed because he was just coming out of a crisis. And someone recommended them to Phytoscience. And when she came to Phytoscience, I recommended the products to them, and I started giving them the products. Behold, it's been 11 months of work with them. I kept encouraging this family because even at the beginning of his therapy, of this guy's therapy, he was 5 years old at the time. Now he's 6 years old. At the beginning of his therapy, he used to still have crisis, even though he was taking the products. So I kept encouraging the parents to give him the products. And behold, the other day, the lady went and did electrophoresis, and do you know what? The child has moved from SS to AS.
What?
You know, so genotype AS. And the boy, it is not just the result. The boy has changed. He doesn't have yellow eyes any longer. His eyes are normal. He's no longer slim. He was very slim with the stomach that was protruding. He's like a normal child now. He has a lot of energy. They used to carry him about like a baby, you know, a 5-year-old, and he was always carried about because he didn't have any energy. He was weak and so on. But now he runs around the house with all the other children in the house and all of that. So just from the physical report, from physically the child, he doesn't have any crisis any longer. The child is fine. So these are some of the things Phytoscience can do. And I was very, very happy. I was so happy with this result. Because this is one of the things, you know, people want to see, people want to know these products you're talking about. Can it do this? Can it do this? And you need to follow up seriously. So one of the things we need to do, dear partners, is that we need to follow up those who are taking the products very seriously. Some of them, we don't follow up and they even abandon the treatment. They don't continue because, you know, sometimes at the early stage of at the early stage, they abandon the treatment because, you know, they are not satisfied. They think it's taking so long and so on. Cell rejuvenation is not in one day. You're not going to replace damaged cells in one day. You're not going to replenish. You're not going to do all of that in one day. It takes time. We need to explain